Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So मैं हूँ प्रज्ञा मुखर्जी and in today's video I'm gonna give a quick review impression video of my very new purchase, and this is a Huda Beauty sketch liner, a two-way quick liner which has a stamp at the back and a liner obviously in front. So this is how the packaging is, like how it came in a box obviously, and I got this from Peep Square. So basically it has a stamp at the back for creating a perfect wing, and obviously the liner in front so that you can create the rest part. So before that I'm just going to show you something. I got this from Peep Square. I got an ad on Instagram. There it was showing how to do a perfect wing liner, and I really got very excited after seeing the video, and I thought to get this for me too and let me try, because I cannot do a perfect wing liner at all. So then I ordered then and then, and obviously the good thing is it's genuine because they have COD options available, and they also confirm from the customer if he or she wants to take or not. So they are not fraud. So let's start with the video. Okay, so coming to the main part this is how the packaging is. It came in a wooden box, how all the parcels come, and it was well covered, see, inside this. So this is how it looks. It cost almost 400, I think 399, and I guess this is one of a very good liner, those who all can't do a wing liner. So let me open it. I'm very poor in opening opening this type of packages. Okay, so this is how it looks. See, two side edges. I guess this side is the stamped one. Yeah, see. And here is the liner. So this is basically for those girls or for those ladies or like for those people who all can't easily wear a wing liner perfectly like I am. I cannot do a proper wing liner at all. So this is why I just love this. Then I ordered and it came in a very decent packaging. As I mentioned there, like the order should come in a very decent way, and it was seriously in a decent way. So like you all can easily order from this peepsquare.com. I will be providing you all the links in the description box below. So very quickly I'm gonna show you the demo review of this product. So let's start. First, as the video shows, I'm gonna stamp it just in the outer corner of my eyes. Let me take a mirror or else idhar udhar ho jayega. Okay, so this is how it looks. Inner corner. Ooh, nice. Similarly this side. So इसका जो इंक है ये बहुत गहरा है और बहुत काला है और बहुत ही अच्छा है. So let me complete. Ooh, nice. So basically I also want to test कि ये waterproof है या नहीं. So मैं हाथ पे ड्रॉ करूँगी एंड लाइक वाटर देके देखूँगी कि ये waterproof होता है कि नहीं. Okay, so you can see the color. It's too black and it's really very nice. Okay, I'm also gonna show you the stamp portion. This is how to show it. Yeah. See. Perfect. So here I've taken a water in this water bottle cap and I'm pouring over here. पानी गिरा. Oh, nice. ये गया नहीं. मैं थोड़ा फिर से दे रही हूँ. Check it again. Nice. So basically this liner is waterproof too. So this liner passed the test. Like this is waterproof, smudge proof, basically smudge proof, and it gives a totally proper look. So I'm very happy with this purchase of mine, and it costs 400. So according to the price, it's really working. Like it's not a wastage of money. I was also thinking क्या ये wastage of money ना हो जाए, लेकिन finally it works. I'm very happy for it. So guys, you can easily check this out. Who all can't do a proper wing liner like me? I can't do a proper wing liner at all. So you all can just go and check it out. I will be giving all the links in the description box below. So till then, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with all your girlfriends. Bye bye.